solution. This is salt and this is sugar. My ORS solution is ready now.
All of you, I am Ishika and I study in class 4. Today I am making a tradition solution. 2 spoons of sugar, 1.5 spoon of salt and 1 pinch of meetha soda and boil water. Now the radiation solution is ready.
Good morning to all. My name is Anmol Pawar. Today I am making dehydration solution. First we will take 2 spoons of salt. Then we will take 2 spoons of sugar. And then we will take 1 spoon of meetha soda. And then we will mix and our dehydration solution is ready. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. My name is Siddhant Moria and I am making a oral goal. First, I am taking one spoon of sugar. That I am laying 2 spoons of salt. Then I am taking 1 spoon of meetha soda. The ORS school is ready. Doctor recommended to all children. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Avyal Rawal. Today I am doing activity of ORS. I will give some water, some boiled water, a little bit of salt, a taste of sugar, and some drops of lemon, and we will mix it well. Now it is ready. ORS, full form oral dehydration solution. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Angel Karwal. Today I make ORS solution. First we will take a salt and then mix it. I'll mix it down. I will mix it, then take a soda. I will take a soda and then we will again mix it. And now my soda is mixed in this water. Then I take sugar and then again mix the sugar. And my ORS solution is ready. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Jeff Shukla. Today I do oral dehydration activity. 3 spoons sugar. 2 spoons salt. And meetha soda. My oral rehydration is ready. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Akshita Niyal. I study in class 4. Today I will make a ORS solution. So, for make a ORS solution, I take sugar and ORS and salt and 1 glass and spoon and water. So, first I will take water and then I will take half spoon salt and mix it. And then I will take sugar, 1 spoon and ORS, 1 spoon and mix it. So my ORS solution is ready. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Angela. I am studying the 4th class. आज मैं आपके सामने ORS का घोल बनाने जा रही हूँ. इसमें हम 1 स्पून नमक डालेंगे, 2 स्पून शुगर डालेंगे. My ORS घोल is ready. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Manvya. I am in class 4. Today I am going to making a solution named oral rehydration solution. I have a boiled water of bowl, 2 spoon of salt, 2 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of meetha soda. First I will take salt, 2 spoon and mix that. Then I will take 2 spoon of sugar and again mix that. Then I will take 1 spoon of meetha soda and again mix that. Our oral rehydration solution is ready. Doctor has been concerned to giving her child. This is amount of 5 and 10 minutes for child. The ORS can store amount 12 hours. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Vivek Mandal. I study in class 4. I am making the dehydration solution. We take 1 spoon sugar, 2 spoon sugar and 2 spoon salt and 2 spoon meetha soda and mix it. Our dehydrated solution is ready. Thank you.